Welcome to this tutorial on how to create study schedules in the Gospel Library app, presented to you by the Daily Feast. To get started, open up the Gospel Library app. To create a study plan, go to the Study Plans section of the app from the main library. You'll want to look for a graphic that looks like a calendar. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see that I already have two study plans created. Now we're going to create a new one for the purposes of this video. If it's your first time creating a study plan, you may see a button that says Create Plan, or you'll see a floating plus button in the bottom right corner. Since I already have two plans created, I've got this plus button in the bottom right. I'm going to click on that. From here, a wizard will guide you through the process of choosing a book, setting a schedule, and adding reminders. Let's go ahead and go through the wizard together. First, you'll want to select your content. To do this, you can either click the number 1 there or click Next in the right-hand corner. Here you want to select which content you want to create a study plan for. Let's say, for example, you want to create a study plan for Scriptures. Let's go ahead and click on Scriptures, and let's say for the Book of Mormon. Here, if you'd like, you can set a schedule. You don't have to. You go ahead and click Next if you don't want to schedule, but let's say you do want to set a schedule for yourself. You'll turn this on. You can set your daily cadence here. If you want it every single day of the week, you can select daily and it will select them all. Or say you want to read every other day, you can select as so. You can choose your start date if you want it today, or you can customize when you want it to be, let's say tomorrow. And you can say your end date if you want it to be in the next 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, the end of the year, or if you want to create a custom, let's say you want it by the end of the month. You can allow chapters to be split. If so, you can toggle this option right here, or if you don't care about that, then that's fine, you can leave it off. It will give you an estimate of about 16 chapters a day based on your end of date. Click on the next button at the top right. If you would like to add reminders, you can toggle this on as well, and you can tell the system what time you would like reminders to be hitting your phone every day. Let's say that you want to have it at 9 a.m. Click next in the top right. And then here, it's showing the schedule and the reminders. You can toggle these on and off depending on your preferences. In the top right, you can give your study plan a name. And click on Save in the top right. Now you'll see that it's broken down by day, which chapters that you need to be reading. So here you got February 2nd down to the end of the year. So let's say that I finish this page. Anytime you finish, you can just go in and click on this little bubble and it will check it off. I'll show you why that's important in a second. But if you actually want to read the chapter from here, you can go in and you can actually read the chapter associated with that date. You just click on it here. So for example, you go ahead and click here on 1 Nephi chapter 2 and you can read it through here. And then when you're done, you can click back and you can hit done. Now this is great because when you go back, you can see, if you're looking there at the study plan we just created, it shows you what percentage of your study plan that you have finished. If you want to easily toggle on and off the notifications from your phone, you just click on this bell icon right here and that'll turn on and off the notifications. If you want to delete it, you can just swipe to the right, or you can click edit and you can move them by holding on the hamburger menu on the right side, and then you can pull them up or down depending on where you want that place of that to be, and then click done when you're done editing. Now I have 3 study plans. You can create study plans for, as I understand it, any content that you want. Now I've already created my own Book of Mormon study schedule. You can take a look at this, trying to stay up to date with the Come Follow Me readings. But if you like to remove one, you just slide it and it's gone. There you go. Hopefully this tutorial has been helpful and that now you feel more comfortable creating and managing the study plans within the Gospel Library app. If you'd like to find more tutorials on how to use the Gospel Library app to its fullest potential and for some Come Follow Me resources, please go to ourdailyfeast.com.